Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a PDF with a camera scanner. First, you need to download the app Cam Scanner using Google Play Store or Apple Store. After downloading the app, open Cam Scanner. It gives you instructions about Cam Scanner. You can skip these instructions. The camera will open. Take a picture by tapping on the shutter button. After taking the picture, you can adjust it by cropping. Also, you can rotate the image to the left or right by tapping the options at the bottom. Your picture will be scanned and select the filter given at the bottom. After adding the filter, tap on the tick icon at the bottom right side of the screen. You will see the options to share, edit PDF, add, and more. Tap on Edit PDF and edit the PDF by adding signature, compression, and more. Tap on Share and it will give you the option to remove the watermark. Your file is ready to share. Tap on Share the PDF to share it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.